We're gonna change the oil. The oil can be easy or it can be difficult depending on how you change it. They do sell like a siphon. I ain't got time for all that. So what I'm gonna do is make it as easy as possible. Just have a little tray. Open my oil up. Dirty oil, pretty dirty oil. And we're just gonna dump that oil right out. Timed that wrong. Ooh, that's some dirty oil. Turn this over. I can't even see. I don't know if it's coming out in there. Hope it is. All right. Made a little bit of a mess there, no problem. Just clean that up real quick. This is my favorite shirt. Look at how dirty that oil is. Some pretty dirty oil. Now we're gonna throw the genuine Honda oil in there. What does that mean? That it's a few dollars more expensive. Look at that. That's the clean oil, dirty oil. You can't even see that clean oil. It kind of looks like water. Anyway, here we go. Just throw this whole thing in there. Pull that out. Boom. I'm gonna clean this off right here. I might need another gasket here. But what I'm gonna do for now is put some of this old oil over this gasket. You just change your lawnmower oil. That easy.